what's up everybody? This is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. We're working on a 2021 Ram TRX. This thing is pretty badass. We did a built-in radar in here, the Escort 360. We put the laser shifters up front here in the grill. And then the radar detector is actually mounted right here behind it. It can go behind the plastic, so there's a bar that runs across there. We've mounted it to that bar. And then coming to the back here, we did a custom mount down here at the bottom for a single laser shifter in the back here. There wasn't a lot of places to put this thing to keep it nice and clean. We didn't want to put it up top there to get kicked off or anything, and trying to center it over that hitch we couldn't really do because the hitch kind of lifted up, so it was a tight fit. So we built a custom little bracket to keep it level. And then the rear radar, there's a rear radar right behind this panel. It can go through the plastic, so this is metal, so it couldn't go through that, so we mounted it right behind here. So it came out real nice, pretty stealth system. And then coming on the inside here, these trucks are pretty sweet. Got the little badge and everything there. We went ahead and put the controllers right here. So there's a little display and then the volume controller. And then we put the little LED right here. That way it blinks and gives them some information if he's driving and it's going off. You can't quite hear it. So we did the Escort Max Ci 360 here. We had this done in less than a day. So if you're in Jacksonville looking to get a radar or any kind of stereo work or anything, give us a call. 904-333-2322. We'll be glad to hook you up.